In this 5-mark subjective question, they are directing us to specify the application of the aminocenteases, lactation malaria, zygote intrafallopian tube transfer. For this, we are specifying to detect the chromosomal disorder, we can use aminocenteases, or for detecting the genetic disorder, or to understand the karyotyping, we can use aminocenteases or amniotic fluid analysis, but not for sex determination during pregnancy. For this specification, we are getting 1 mark. In the lactation amenorrhea category, we are specifying this particular natural contraceptive measure will prevent the pregnancy. For this specification, we are getting another 1 mark. Under the zygote intrafallopian tube transfer, we are specifying to assist an infertile couple to have a children by transferring the zygote or early embryo at 8 blastomere stage into the fallopian tube or morula into the fallopian tube. For this specification, we are getting another 1 mark. In the second sub-question, they are directing us to prepare a poster for the school program depicting the objective of reproductive and child healthcare program. For this, we are specifying the poster made on reproductive and child healthcare program with the Hum Do Hamara Do Band Zindagi Ki, Beti Bacho, Beti Padho, Stop Sexually Transmitted Disease, Gender Selection and Reduction is Punishable. For this specification, we are getting 2 marks. In this way, we are satisfying the overall 5 mark demand of the first optional subjective question. In this 5 mark subjective question, in the second optional question, they are directing us to specify any two-way by which the apomictic seed can develop. For this, we are illustrating a diploid seed is formed without reduction division, which develops into embryo without fertilization. For this illustration, we are getting 1 mark. We are narrating the second probability where some cells of the nucellus are diploid in nature that divides and develops into the embryo. For this illustration, we are getting another 1 mark. In the second sub-question, they are directing us to specify the advantage and disadvantage of the apomictic crop. For this, we are illustrating under the advantage, no segregation of the character in a hybrid progeny. So, apomictic hybrid can be used to grow crop year after year. Economically, as ordinary hybrid seed are costly. For this illustration, we are getting 1 mark under the advantage category. In the disadvantage category, cannot control detritus genetic mutation. It reduces genetic diversity from parent to the offspring plant due to the lack of variation. So lacks the ability to adapt to changing environment. For this illustration, under the disadvantage, we will be getting 1 mark. In the third sub-question, they are directing us to specify why do farmer finds production of hybrid seed is costly. For this, we are illustrating hybrid seed are costly as farmers have to purchase the seed year after year, and production of hybrid seed is a technically expensive method to be done under the control condition. For this illustration, we are getting 1 mark. In this way, we are satisfying the overall 5 mark demand of this second optional subjective question demand.